Exotic police cars, Top Gear spoilers, and more utes than you can poke a stick at. This is The Quick Shift. I'm Lucas Kennedy and this is all the week's motoring news at top speed on February 11, 2015. It's no secret that Daniel Ricciardo has the skills to win a Formula One World Championship, and the Australian driver proved that again this week in a reasonably priced Suzuki hatchback. Ricciardo beat the likes of Lewis Hamilton and former teammate Sebastian Vettel by posting the fastest ever time for a Formula One driver around Top Gear's makeshift Surrey circuit in the UK. The biggest test will be whether Ricciardo can take it to the world's best when the Formula One World Championship commences in March. 2015 promises to be a big year for the popular ute segment in Australia, with updated models due from Toyota, Ford, Nissan, Mitsubishi and Mazda. Leaked photos of some of those new models are landing on drives' desks thick and fast. In the past week we've seen spied photos of the bigger and bolder Hilux, as well as a teaser of the popular Ford Ranger. Keep an eye out on Drive's website in the coming months for official photos and specifications. Finally this week, a gathering of some of the world's most exotic sports cars would usually be a reason for vigilant policing. But it was the police themselves making headlines in Dubai this week, where the local brass assembled for an upcoming film about their patrol fleet. The illustrious cast included a McLaren 12C, Bugatti Veyron, Bentley Continental GT, and a Ferrari FF. Remember to check out this week's edition of Drive as we delve into the sensitive issue of petrol pricing, what influences pricing, and where we can expect to see the pump value go in the coming weeks. That's it for The Quick Shift. Until next week, stay tuned to drive.com.au.